All right, everybody. I'm doing something I hadn't done in a long time here. I'm plugging the surf, and I got one on. And I hadn't done this in like 5 years. Oh, I love it. I miss it. It's not fly fishing, but I sure like it. Yeah, it's a good one. I've got my stringer and I've got I almost bet it's a Spanish mackerel. No, it's a trout. Look at that. Yeah, it's a good trout. Oh, I love this stuff. I hadn't plugged the surf in years, man. I love it. Well, I haven't been able to, really, because my back has been bad. I've got some...
Are you gonna do it for you?
Oh, yeah, this is what I always use.
Oh, okay.
Ah, dog it.
Lucky?
Yeah.
That's a fighter. I got a big fat 20-inch yesterday. Bang.
Really?
Yeah. She'll keep.
Oh, heck yeah. 17-incher for sure.
On the bottom?
No.
Plastic?
No, a Miradine.
I had another little blow up 10 minutes ago, but very small.
I just haven't, I'm not used to all these dang treble hooks anymore.
Yeah.
I'm going to get some single hooks and replace all these. Hey, if the tide comes up, you might, don't. I'm going back when you go. I can swim, but not very good. I oiled this old Corrado up, casting like a champ, man. I've had this thing for 25 years. You know, I used to fish with 51 mirror lures.
Yep.
And when these first came out, I tried one and caught a limited trout on them. Ever since.
Cool.
I knew there had to be some fish out there. I can swim, and I can swim that. It's just, I get scared, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, because when you go back, you're going against the current.
Yeah.
You know, I've seen some swirls by my bait earlier.
Oh, yeah. There's definitely activity.
You know, I kind of thought maybe I'm too high up in the water column.
Yeah.
You know, because you don't see the bait up top.
Yeah.
I mean, you do, but not like it should be. Uh-oh. My feet. I'm glad. All right, I'm hooked up. Oh yeah. That's a good one. Looks like it from here. He's not that good. I don't know. He might be a keeper. He might not. I don't know. Back treble hooks. Yeah, he's a keeper. Got him on the Mirrodine. Pretty sure he's a keeper. Oh yeah. All right, hope I don't get punked like I did before. I think shark ate some of my other fish. Look there, there's baits working out there. That's good. Oh, this used to be my favorite thing to do. I still love it. Fishing the surf for trout. Way back before internet, I used to have a weather radio and I'd listen this time of year. I'd listen to it every day. Wait for this, the wind and everything to get right for these trout to be in the surf. I tell you what, fishing hadn't been that good today. That's my second fish there. And, but I have had a blast. I see baits jumping. Oh, it's starting to look better now. You know, if it was calm enough and the wind was right, I would fish with my fly rod. But you know, I'm kind of getting to where I need a change of pace. You know, I'm getting older and I'm getting to where I want to do some of the things that I used to love to do again. You know, I used to love to even use live shrimp under a cork. I thought about doing that. That's fun. All right, we're on again. Yeah, he's a good one. Oh yeah, this one's a good one here. Yeah, he's good. This is a good one here. It's a good one. Pink back, chartreuse belly, Mirrodine, my favorite all-time surf plug right there. And keep the little sharks off of them. Now see what had happened, we were down the beach and this wind's blowing. It's blowing a lot stronger than what was predicted. And it's coming out of the southwest, west-southwest, which isn't good. And it chopped up the water, started making it muddy down the surf, kind of sandy. So we came over here by the jetty, right here. It's blocking, see this is the west, and it's coming this way and it's blocking it. And it's got the water looks so much better here, and the waves aren't so bad. Oh, we're hooked up again. There we go. Got him in the back. And these are good fish here. That's a good one. Look at that. Good 18. At least 18 right there. No, they're up high. See this Lou, this one here, it just stays about a foot under the surface. One more, make my limit. 3 on this stringer and 1 in the ice chest. I've got another one of these in the truck if you want to go tie one on. I'm glad I left it on.
Yeah.
It barely sinks. Oh, that's your surf trout, man. Your surf trout, they find a lot better than the ones in the bay. I got my limit. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you use this lure. This is my favorite plug for the surf, man. I know I've told you that 100 times.
That's nice. That's nice.
Oh no, these other ones I had are better. Yeah. You saw how I was working it, right? I wasn't working it fast. I was just... I'm gonna take these back. Look at that one. Away from me. I almost had to swim to that bar. Get those trout away from me because I don't want Mr. Shark to come accidentally bite me if he wants a bite out of them. Oh, Dave, you got one.